In this video, we are going to explain the meaning of line in artwork. Knowing this important art concept will help you better understand painting, so let's begin. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. The concept of line is integral to the art world. They're the basic element that contains the space of any object we paint, and there's power in their simplicity. In the art world, lines are the visual representation of a point moving through space. They show us the journey of one point meeting another and can be manipulated in many different ways as a creative tool for painters. This one simple tool can be used in a ton of different ways. Lines can show direction, they can show texture, they can portray a visual mood, and more. Let's check out an example from art history to help us understand how lines can affect texture. It is the element of line which differentiates the billowing texture of her dress versus the smooth texture of her gimp, which is the fabric near her neckline. Wavy lines help describe the texture of her dress. The absence of line helps describe the smoother texture. There is power in the simplicity of lines. When you change the property of line, it can portray different meanings. A thick line makes an image seem bold and makes a strong impact. A thin line can visually define something delicate or frail. A contour line traces the outer edge of an object, revealing its two-dimensional shape. Let's look at this painting by Paul Cézanne, which is called Three Pairs. Notice how each pair is encased in a blue line. This simple gesture helps define the outer aspect of each pair and lends itself to the form and dimension of each piece of fruit. The shape of a line can define its meaning too. An organic shape depicts a different feeling than a shape with a sharp or jagged angle. Lines can be multiplied and layered, forming beautiful patterns. They can also show rhythm, like a heartbeat. In the example of a heartbeat, a simple curved line is able to portray a rhythm of sound and give data based on its shape. That's pretty amazing. Let's review what we learned today. Lines are the visual representation of a point moving through space. Lines can be manipulated as a useful creative tool for painters. They can do anything from show texture on an object, define two-dimensional form, and visually portray sounds like a heartbeat and more. If this video helped you understand the concept of line in art, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Receive your acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guides to help you get started. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.